How to show a post just in your widget or standalone page, but not in the other. Beamer has two main views. A widget, like this one, and a standalone page, like this one. A widget is an embeddable piece that you can put on your app or site, and you can trigger it with a button or a trigger word or whatever you like. A standalone page is a page dedicated to your Beamer updates, like this one. But when you publish a post, sometimes you probably will want to publish it on your widget alone or in your standalone page, but not in the widget. How to do that? How to filter that? Well, let's get started with this. Here, I'm creating a post. This is my post editor screen, as you can see. You'll see here that if I scroll down, I have a lot of options. I have my in-app notification options, I have my other options here, I have my segment filters, but also I have these two big ones. This in-app option means that my post will be shown in my in-app widget. And this standalone option means that my post will be shown in my standalone page. If I click on it, now this one is deselected. This is not selected. And if I click on this one, this one is not selected. This post is not gonna get shown anywhere. It's just like a snippet now. But I can filter that. I can play with that. For example, I can show it only in my widget and not in my standalone. I can show it in my standalone, but not in my widget. Or I can show it in both. Don't forget to save and publish or save as a draft, and thanks for watching.